mashing, and we are starting from here. Now this one is we are doing boiling process. The boiling process, we are boiling the mash, and after that then go for the cooling. And this one is for pre-crushing the mash. Then we are taking out the zest of the barley and the wort. We call it as a wort. And this is a taste of barley. Now from here we will brew a beer. And then after filtrating this one, after finishing that filtration, we will take this one to that equipment for boiling.
Okay.
And then it goes to the keg. This one is empty keg, which we can put here, and then we can take inside the water, the cold water, so that the water it gets a cold, and that one is called a cooling process. And then after that, we will look for the temperature. It should be 20 degrees Celsius for the a cooling process. And this one is boiling process. I think maybe it will be 92.5 temperatures. And then after that, we will take in the fermentation room. So this is a fermentation room, and then this is the yeast. After cooling, I'll bring the wort here, and then I will add this one. So this is the yeast. Then after that, I will join the pipes in the pressure. In the pressure, and this one is a pressure. So you can see the bubbles here. You can see the bubbles here. So that means the fermentation is taking place, and then the carbon dioxide is going out, and then we should not let the oxygen to come in, so that we can look through the pressures whether the fermentation is finished or not. After finishing the bubbles, then it is ready to bottle.